Ripple Labs has been regarded by cryptocurrency supporters as the promoter of a groundbreaking experiment for several years. Ripple is attempting to create a new paradigm for financial transactions with the XRP digital asset. The concept is that cross border transfers no longer have to be so costly and time consuming. The blockchain innovation that underpins XRP and other cryptos doesn't even require human intervention past the point of introduction, thanks to decentralized technologies. That alone could save a lot of money on labor. But, of course, no good idea can go unpunished by the government. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC of the United States, has determined that the cryptocurrency in question is a publicly traded security rather than a virtual currency. As a result, Ripple Labs has gotten around long standing laws governing the sale of business equity. This has ramifications not only for XRP, but also for other coins and tokens. Before we get to it, welcome back to Crypto Revolution channel, where you get daily doses of crypto world. Before we get into the video, hit that like button and press subscribe notification so you don't miss new videos. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Today, we're going to talk about the latest news on the Ripple lawsuit and how that will affect the XRP price. Ripple's founders created XRP in 2012. The SEC sued the San Francisco based company and its current and former chief executives in December, alleging they have been conducting a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering since the token's creation. According to Reuters, a Manhattan federal judge ruled on Monday that a group of people who own digital tokens linked to Ripple Labs Inc. can offer their meaningful perspective in the Securities and Exchange Commission's case accusing the company of violating securities law. The six holders of XRP, the world's seventh largest cryptocurrency by market value, can offer opinions on certain legal questions in the lawsuit, which claims the token is an unregistered security, according to U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres. Attorneys in the crypto space are keeping a close eye on the case as regulators try to figure out how to regulate the asset class. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has sued some digital token issuers for selling unregistered securities, while other assets like Bitcoin and Ether have escaped the label. The XRP token holders sought to intervene in March, saying they were de facto defendants in the case and wanted to protect their interests. A request for comment from John Deaton of the Deaton Law Firm, who represents XRP holders, and a spokesperson for the SEC were not immediately returned on Monday. We were all granted amicus status today, Deaton wrote on Twitter, where the ruling was celebrated by cryptocurrency enthusiasts. When crypto exchanges in the United States, including Coinbase, delisted or suspended trading in XRP after the SEC sued, XRP holders, including Deaton's daughter Jordan, filed a motion to intervene in the case, claiming that the token lost $15 billion in value. Torres turned down the XRP holders' request to intervene in the case as a class, claiming that it would cause undue delay. The SEC had argued that token holders should not be allowed to act as amici and present evidence. They will only be allowed to make legal arguments on whether the case should be dismissed, according to Torres. What do you think? How will these lawsuit changes impact the price of XRP? Positive or negative? Let's get back to more lawsuit updates. According to financefeeds.com, the Securities and Exchange Commission has requested a conference and order compelling Ripple to search and produce video and audio taped recordings of the firm's meetings that include the individual defendants Garlinghouse and Larsen, as well as other key employees speaking on topics relevant to disputes in the lawsuit. The recordings are the best, unadulterated evidence of Ripple's and the individual defendants' contemporaneous views, treatment, and marketing of XRP during the relevant time period. Ripple was accused by the plaintiff of having a flawed search methodology that left highly probative evidence out of its late production of responsive recordings until the SEC raised these concerns with Ripple. Ripple agreed to search all recorded meetings by the custodians of such meetings, meeting name, and other criteria. But the SEC recently learned that Ripple's search is not reasonably designed to identify responsive documents for at least two reasons, said the letter. First, Ripple's definition of custodian includes the electronic location in which a recorded meeting was stored. For example, Ripple Video Conference is the purported custodian for many recordings that Ripple has refused to search, rather than the relevant employees who spoke at or attended the meeting. Second, where the file name of the recorded meeting provides no information as to whether responsive topics were addressed at the meeting. For example, Ripple meeting. Ripple has refused to search the recording's content. Ripple has insisted that the SEC, which has no access to the recordings or even to Ripple's list of the recordings, which Ripple has also refused to produce, must identify the specific additional recordings it seeks. For those reasons, the SEC asked the court to reject Ripple's attempt to shift its own document production obligations to the SEC. The SEC is looking for proof that the individual defendants and key employees were aware that XRP could be classified as a security when they marketed it as an investment contract. This is the agency's most compelling argument against Ripple. According to CoinGecko at the time, price of XRP's $1.10 per share in real-time market cap is 50,982,055,883, with a trading volume of 4,916,398,144, making CoinMarketCap at number 6. That's it for today's video. We hope it will help you to better understand the Ripple lawsuit so you can make better choices in cryptocurrency trading. What do you think the Ripple price will be after the lawsuit? Leave your comments down below.